Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Journey to Become Wealthy. My name is Kelvin, and today the markets plummeted. It's Friday, and I guess to close out the week, we just had to have the Jackson Hole Fed speech today. And if many of you know or follow me, you know you saw the video this morning. I said, "Beware, beware," and sure enough, we felt a lot of pain today. But before I get too far into it, make sure you like, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make videos. So let's talk about it, right? I mean, the markets came down hot and heavy today. That means there's a lot of money to be made. But still, if you own stocks, if you own, if you were investing on the bullish side, man, today hurt for us. Us. You see, I said myself included because my portfolio, I still add in and still buy. And seeing today 3% drops on pretty much all the indexes, that hurt. That really hurt. So let's talk about Rao, right? The Jerome Powell came out today, and he really didn't say much. He had a short and sweet speech at the Jackson Hole. In my opinion, there was nothing to be concerned about. I don't know why the market took such a hit, but hey, FUD, right? Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. He didn't give any clarity on anything, and I guess that just left too much uncertainty out there. But he did state some things that we were already aware of. First of all, he said that they were staying firm on crushing inflation. Also, that they believe that there may be some losses and some pain to come based on recession fears. So he's aware recession could possibly happen and get worse. He's also aware that we could experience some job loss in this economy. But despite all of that, they believe that their number one goal is to get to lower this inflation, right? So you know what that means, right? Continued aggression on the rate hikes, right? So if they continue to be aggressive on rate hikes, we could potentially see another 75 basis point rate hike, or we could see consecutive 75 basis point rate hikes. But this did not give anybody the warm and fuzzy feeling to let us know that, hey, inflation peaked and we're feeling good about kind of loosening up on the interest rate hikes and just the tightening of the economy. So Jerome Powell did not come in to reassure us or the people today. He basically just said, hey, we're gonna do what we've been doing because it's working, I suppose, and that's just it. So he did not change his stance on anything so far. Now let's take a look at how his just a few minutes impact the entire market, man. It killed us today. So we have the Dow Jones down 3.03%. The S&P 500 came down 3.37%. NASDAQ down 3.94%. And the Russell down 3.30%. And we see this VIX running up crazy 17.36%. Now what was once a pullback could now be going back towards a bear market, you guys. I hate to say it. I know we were loving seeing the green days. We had several green weeks. We enjoyed that. We loved that. But anytime we got a catalyst like this is a major negative catalyst. And it could potentially just crush the market yet again. But hey, we know what to do. We know how to handle this. We handled this before already, right? We've been handling it so far. Of course, we enjoyed the run up. But it is what it is. And we got to continue to be ready for the pain. One thing I did want you all to take a look at, right? We got to check out that year to date, right? Let's see from that low where we sitting at now. We know at one point we were up from the low 17%, only 3% more before we were officially back bullish. Now we are only up 10%, so we've lost a heavy 7% in the matter of a couple days, right? August 16th to the 26th. So 10 days we've lost 5.75%. That hurts. It sucks, but it's still not too crazy, right? It's still not too crazy, and it's not surprising. But I do believe that this could potentially turn us back around and we can see things going down. One thing I got to mention, right, the fear and greed index. We're at that 44, right? So things sold off. People terrified. They don't know what's going on anymore. So people are no longer excited to be back bullish. People are no longer excited thinking that, hey, maybe the Fed will loosen up on the economy. People are no longer assured that inflation peaked out. So that's just the things that we need to keep in mind. I had to show you all just our stock market heat map. I know we haven't looked at this a while, but I just had to show you that this was not an isolated event. This did not just impact you or I favorite stocks, right? it pretty much hit the entire economy. The entire everything trading is red here. You see very few companies outside of a few oil companies, energy companies that kind of hung in there. And this looks like Shell PLC and Petro China Company Limited they were able to hold steady, pretty much flat for the day, and not take a beating like everything else. If you look here, everything else at least 3%. Apple 3%. You know when Apple moves 3%, the entire market is coming down. Google 5%. Google, another major one. Amazon, another big dog. Tesla. And you look at this Tesla price now after the stock split, 288.09. So it's pretty much on sale for some of us. It's more affordable. And that's really what we got, man. It's just crazy because again, when they're going, I was anticipating us seeing a lot of green going forward, and just despite the catalyst, I do believe that we have another catalyst on Monday, but we're gonna talk about that as we get closer to the date. You all know I got Sunday's Wealthy Word, and of course we're gonna have Monday's video. But just this was a major negative catalyst for the economy and the stock market. Hopefully you all made money on the way down. I know I made a little bit. I didn't do too much trading due to work and just other things. I had a glitch on my RobinHood account today, but that's fine. Millionaires are made during times of a recession, right? This is our time to make millionaires, and we're on the journey to become wealthy. So you already know we're gonna do what we gotta do. We're gonna educate ourselves. We're gonna continue to figure out how this market gonna move, and we're gonna continue the journey to become wealthy. So that's what I got. I thank you all for joining the journey to become wealthy. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and leave me some comments in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you all later.